Hey guys, just a quick update. The jet I was waiting for the XR70 I'm working on finally came in. So I'm going to pop that in and give it a little test ride, see how she runs. So we're going from the stock 62 main to a 70 main, and also dropping the needle, slide needle down to the bottom most rich position. So let's see how she runs after that. All right, got the jet installed and take this out. See how she rides now. It's a chilly day today, so I'm probably gonna be out there too long, but I've been waiting for this to come in. I'm kind of anxious to see how it runs now, so I'll tough out the cold for a little while. Yeah, give it some choke. First kick again. Warm up a bit here. I can already tell the idle is way more steady than it was before, so definitely was on the lean side. And I think also patching up that tear on the intake boot is probably helping things too. Alright, see how she rides. I don't have any deceleration popping or backfiring now, which is good. Let's see how she pulls up the hill now. Oh yeah, way better. Oh yeah, she's pulling third now. Wasn't able to do this before. Oh, way better. Unbelievable how much that helps. That's third gear pulling me up this hill. Yeah, no backfiring at all on deceleration. She runs good. It runs pretty good. definitely running better with that fatter main jet on there for sure. Pulls all the gears, pulls third gear up the hill with me on it, and starts up real easy. Idles fine, doesn't do the climb like it did before. So I think we're in good shape. So I'm gonna do one more oil change on this thing, and while it's hot, just to flush out anything else that might be in there, and I'll get this back to my bud so him and his kids can enjoy. And as always, hit that subscribe button for me and leave me some likes. It really goes a long way in helping the channel out, guys, so I appreciate it. Thanks, and I will see you in the next one.